In front of me is Nubia RedMagic 11A, and today I would like to show you how you can enable or disable suggestion strip at the top of your keyboard. Firstly, to enable suggestion strip, you need to open Devices Settings and scroll all the way down. Then hit System and Update, Keyboard, On-screen Keyboard, and finally Gboard. This way you'll access Gboard settings. In them, choose Corrections and Suggestions. Scroll and use this switcher next to Suggestion Strip to turn it on or switch it off. I want to enable it, so when I tap and go back, I can see that Suggestion Strip is now visible. Quick tip, now thanks to it, to access the same section in your settings, all you need to do is click on gear icon. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!